Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to log into your Citi Bank credit card account. If you want to log into your Citi Bank credit card account, first of all open your browser and go to citi.com. Once you land on this website, you can see the portion over here. Here, enter your user ID and password of your Citi Bank credit card account. And click on sign on. Before this, if you haven't yet activated your credit card account, you can just look at the bottom next to the register, click on the activate link and you can activate your account here. Once you activated your account, you can sign on or log into your Citi Bank credit card account by entering your user ID and password here. So this is how you can log into your Citi Bank credit card account. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.